Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using Teledoc. Teledoc Health aims to make healthcare more accessible and convenient. They collaborate with health plans to offer virtual care services to their members. Through this partnership, Teledoc expands the reach of healthcare, allowing patients to connect with doctors remotely. This is particularly beneficial for individuals in rural areas or those who have difficulty accessing traditional in-person care. By working directly with health plans, Teledoc integrates seamlessly into a patient's existing coverage, often reducing or eliminating out-of-pocket expenses. This integration simplifies the process, making it easier for patients to utilize telehealth services. Teledoc's services offered through health plans cover a wide range of non-emergency medical issues, from common colds and flu to mental health support and dermatological concerns. This breadth of coverage makes Teledoc a versatile tool for managing various health needs. The platform emphasizes a patient-centered approach, ensuring that individuals receive personalized care from qualified healthcare professionals. This commitment to quality care helps build trust and ensures positive patient outcomes. Furthermore, Teledoc provides educational resources and tools to empower patients to take control of their health. These resources may include information on managing chronic conditions, tips for healthy living, and access to personalized health records. By offering these resources, Teledoc goes beyond simply providing virtual consultations and strives to be a comprehensive health partner. For health plans, partnering with Teledoc offers significant advantages. It helps them enhance their benefit offerings, providing members with a convenient and cost-effective way to access care. This can lead to increased member satisfaction and improved health outcomes. Teledoc also streamlines administrative processes for health plans, making it easier to manage healthcare delivery. This efficiency ultimately benefits both the plan and its members. The collaboration between Teledoc and health plans represents a significant step forward in making healthcare more accessible, affordable, and convenient for everyone. Through their combined efforts, they are transforming the healthcare landscape and improving the lives of countless individuals.